We have acknowledged the prompt steps already taken by the Nigerian police force in identifying, dismissing, and commencing legal action against the officers involved in the shooting of this citizen, Mene Ogidi, a 28-year-old. Such decisive action sends a very clear message that Nigeria will not shield misconduct, that accountability remains a cornerstone of our democracy. However, this commendable beginning must lead to conclusive justice. I urge distinguished Senator Ide Davinone, representing the affected constituency, to kindly convey the condolences of this Senate to the bereaved family.